Huh, I guess I need new wipers then.
Hello and welcome to our channel. In this episode, we will be replacing the wipers on this 2009 Porsche Cayman, and we will be using PIAA Silicone wipers. Please note we're not sponsored by this brand, but silicone wipers tend to last longer and are more durable than regular wipers. And the PIAA wipers are still made in Japan. Just look at the packaging. Made in Japan. Even the first wipers we replaced in 2020, where Brianna replaced the wipers on our Scion IQ, is still installed in that vehicle. That shows how long that these wipers last. Now the wipers we need for the 2009 Porsche Cayman are both 22 inches on the driver's side and on the passenger side. First thing we need to do is raise the wiper arm away from the windshield. Now before removing the wiper blade, put a soft cloth or towel on the windshield so that in case the wiper arm springs back without the wiper blade, it doesn't damage the windshield. So that's the first thing. Next, turn the wiper blade 45 degrees. That will expose the locking mechanism at the bottom. Press on the locking mechanism to release and push down on the wiper blade. That will release it from the wiper arm. Then shift it to the right so we can take it out of the wiper arm. Now if you didn't know, the wiper arm has a J-type connection. This looks like that we need a medium-sized J-type connector. Let me show you what I mean. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the old wiper blade and the new wiper blade. And if you check on the actual wiper blade, I know you can't see it, but the wiper blade on the old one is starting to get hard compared to the silicone wiper blades. Next, here are the various adapters or connectors for the wiper blade. We're gonna test this one and see if this is the one that fits. Testing the wiper blade adapter. So we just slide it from the bottom, same way we removed the old one, and see if it locks in place. Yep, when you heard that click sound, that means that the locking mechanism locks in the locking tab on the wiper arm. So let's take it off and install it on our new wiper blade. Before installing the adapter, make sure that the swivel point of the wiper blade are aligned so that it matches the length on each side. So with this aligned, simply snap on the adapter. There you go. And as you can see, it is aligned well, because if you install it the other way around, it would not align well at the ends and it might overlap with the windshield. So make sure it is aligned well on the swivel point. There you go. Now let's reinstall the new wiper arm. Installing the new wiper arm is simply the reverse of how we removed the old one. So we slide it from the bottom, align the J-type connector with the J-type hook, and snap it in. And it's installed. Let's do the other side. Now let's raise the passenger side wiper arm. Then move your foam or soft towel for protection. Now let's remove the wiper blade. Same process, turn the wiper blade 45 degrees, press down on the locking mechanism and push down. Then shift to the right to take it off. Here's the passenger side wiper blade. For some reason, it is curved and deformed. And here's the new one. So I don't know why that got deformed. Anyway, let's align the pivot area so that it is the same length on each side. Then snap on the adapter, the J-type adapter. Okay, make sure it's matching. Yep. And let's reinstall the new wiper blade. So the reverse process of removing the old one, slide it from the bottom and snap it in place. There you go. Now remove your protective foam or towel. But wait, there's more. The PIAA silicone wipers came with windshield preparation pack so we can clean the windshield from excess dirt and debris. So let's wipe the windshield first before putting down our new windshield wipers. Open the windshield preparation pack and start wiping. Look how dirty our windshield is, and this is just with one pack. So if you want, you can use the other pack as well. Because of how dirty the windshield is, I decided to just use the second pack also. Second pack used and it's still dirty. Now you can put down the new windshield wipers. Ta-da! Nice.
A few moments later.
And as soon as we finished installing the silicone wiper blades, it started to rain. So it's a perfect time for us to test the new wiper blades. Here we go. And it's wiping. It's wiping and it's cleaning. Let's put some washer fluid. It's wiping, cleaning, and very quiet. Alright. Just as we expected from a silicone wiper blades. Nice. Job well done.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
And that is how to replace wiper blades for this 2009 Porsche Cayman with PIAA silicone wipers. Thank you for watching. Okay. Yeah. Don't wait when it's about to rain before replacing your wipers. Otherwise, it would be too late by then. Don't wait when it's raining already to replace your wipers. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this episode, we will be Hello and welcome to our channel. In this episode, we will be replacing the wipers on this 2009 Porsche Cayman. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this episode, we will be replacing the wipers on this 2009 Porsche Cayman, and we will be using PIAA silicone wipers. And we will be using PIAA silicone wipers. Please note we are not sponsored by this brand. Are more durable and last a lot longer. Hello and welcome to How to Help. Please note we're not sponsored by this brand, but PIAA silicone wipers tend to last longer and are more. Next, turn the wiper blade 45 degrees in relation to the wiper arm. Press down on the locking mechanism and push the wiper blade down. That should release the wiper arm from the wiper blade. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the old wiper arm, wiper blade.